Some interesting facts about cats. कुछ रोचक तत्वें जो बिल्लियों के बारे में हैं. Meet the fascinating feline family, from purring pet cats to the wild ones. In India, they're adored and admired. Did you know, in Hindi, cats are called billi? They signify mystery and grace. Pet cats, like Persian and Siamese, are loved for their beauty and charm. They are playful, loyal, and perfect companions. Wild cats, like tigers and leopards, are India's pride. They symbolize strength, power, and majesty. However, their survival is threatened. Conservation is key to protect these majestic creatures from extinction. So, cherish your billi and respect their wild cousins. They are an essential part of our world's diverse ecosystem. Cats are crepuscular animals, which means they are most active during dawn and dusk. Their eyes are adapted for low light conditions, and they can see in just 1/6 the light that a human needs. Cats are carnivorous and often hunt alone or in groups. Their prey can include rodents, birds, and other small animals. Cats belong to the family Felidae within the animal kingdom and are categorized as carnivorous mammals. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.